Part 13 of the Tips for Teachers series, Emailing Students. You may email your entire class or select students through the Canvas inbox called Conversations. There is one stipulation: your course must be published. From the dashboard, scroll to the global navigation bar or the turquoise bar on the left side of the window. The third icon from the bottom will have a letter inside an envelope. This is the inbox. Select the icon. The link will redirect to a page that resembles a traditional email account. On the left, you will see a column with a history of your emails. This is also where new emails will appear. On the right is the reading pane, where the emails will present. Above the reading pane is a toolbar. I will go over the options from left to right. You may select which class you are viewing from the drop-down list. You may select the section of your email you wish to see, whether it is an inbox, a sent mailbox, an archive, favorites, or comments. The button for creating emails is on the right-hand side and looks like a pencil on the top of a piece of paper. On the right is also a reply button, a reply all button, and archive command, delete, and finally the more options button. Lastly, there is an entry field that allows you to search for specific recipients and narrow down your inbox view. Select the pencil and paper icon. A new window will pop up. Select the course for which you are writing the message. You may either type in a name, complete it, or select it from the drop-down list. Or select a person from your contacts by clicking the notebook with a figurehead in it. You may select all in the course, teachers, students, or course sections. You may have to narrow down your selection still by another group or person. Once you have selected the recipients, fill the entry field with the title of the message. You may choose to send an individual message for each recipient instead of one for all. Write the body of the email in the next entry field. Below, in the left-hand corner of the window, are buttons for you to add attachments. If you select the attachment, a pop-up file explorer prompts you to select the file you want. If you select the multimedia attachment, a pop-up will appear, prompting you to record or upload media. You may have to allow Canvas to access your mic and camera if you choose to record. You will be able to select the microphone and camera you want to use after allowing access by clicking Mic or Camera. Select Start Recording to begin. Select Finish when you are done recording. You may watch the video by clicking on Play. You may click Start Over if you want to try again. You may save the video by typing a title in the entry field, then selecting Save. If you choose to upload, select the option on the right. Choose which file type you would like to search and upload by selecting the file and then Open. You may only record or upload one file. Select Send to mail your students.